I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and today we tilled a community garden. On this site, they have about 5,000 square feet that they wanted tilled. Typically at a garden like this, you would want to eliminate the weeds first before you did any tilling, but unfortunately on this site, it got ahead of them, and they knew they would be behind with the walk-behind tiller. And we were able to come in with the 4500 and do that for them in about half an hour. The nice part about using a Ventrac in a scenario like this is that it's got the ability to power through the ground when it's overgrown like this, or if the ground is hard, but it's also small and maneuverable so that when you're working around buildings and planted raised beds, things of that nature, you're actually able to do so. Any Ventrac owner can see the value of the tiller. Whether it's a homeowner who has their own personal garden, or if it's a city, municipality, or university who has large community gardens like this. It's just one more way to max out the versatility of your Ventrac fleet.